Good day, my handsome and beautiful kings and queens of GapTech Institute. Welcome back to class. In today's class, we're going to talk about um, a core feature of HTML. Okay, and it's a button. And what's the button? It's called checkbox. You'll be wondering what's checkbox again. Okay, so have you ever visited a website and at the bottom, after the sign up or sign in button, you see something like I agree to terms and condition. You now see a small box at the left side that you are required to click on. Okay, have you seen that before? If you have seen that before, then that's what we call checkbox. So in this class, I'm going to teach you how you too can create something like this and put it in your website or in your web page. Okay, so let's get started by creating the file. Remember, you click on the plus button, new file, then let's just name this let's say checkbox.html. Okay, excuse me, checkbox.html. Remember your code snippet, HTML snippet. Okay, if you are not putting this HTML snippet, that means you wanted to code it from scratch without the snippet. What's this snippet? It just means like a template. Okay, so the page title is what? Let's call it checkbox because we are working on checkbox. Don't mind my typing. Checkbox. Okay, remember everything you're going to be coding should be inside the body. Okay, so there is a parent tag which is label. Okay, close it. So everything has to be in between. This space is too much, so everything else has to be in between this label so that our code will run properly without any bug. What's bug is error. Okay, so input type. So in this input type, it defines what your code is talking about. What type of data do you want to input? So since we are working with checkbox, we are going to give the type of the input to be checkbox. Very simple as that. Let me tell you something. Coding is really fun. You just have to make it your hobby. Okay, and before you know it, you've mastered everything. Okay, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a step. The journey of a 1,000 miles with a begins with a step, right? Okay, so this is the input type, which is checkbox. So what text do you want to be displayed? Let's say I I I agree to the terms and conditions. Let's just jot it. Terms and conditions. T and C's. Okay. Um and that's all. Just let your label, you can leave it like this or just make it look beautiful by letting your label be after this text. And that's all. You've created a checkbox. Let's run the program. That's it. I agree to the terms and conditions. If you click on it, you can see the blue tick. The blue tick. You can see that's checkbox. Your input type defines any data you are inputting. Okay, that's just it. See you in the next class.